This is English 133 A500 and English 133 A501. And I forgot to tell everybody, I'll remember tomorrow, that when you guys are referencing yourself and telling me where you are, who you are, make sure that you mention the section. So A500 or A501, because I have two sections for you guys. So this is your book, okay? And it's a hard copy, all right? So go pick it up. If you, like, something happens, just let me know. Text me through Teams and we'll figure something out. But this is for homework, and you will have to, I forgot. This is for homework, so make sure that you take notes, and you can write in your book, okay? But when you write in your book, you're gonna have to take pictures and then upload to SU Portal, all right? And try to upload it all as one file. And so you put it all under chapter 1. There's gonna be a link for chapter 1, and then chapter 2, there's gonna be a link for chapter 2, because that's gonna be your homework, all right? So here we go with your homework. So you're gonna read chapter 1 and chapter 2. Make sure, you know, you can write in your books, okay? So so that way, you know, let's work smarter, not harder. So here it goes. Take notes. Chapter 1 is page 3, personal feedback. Page 7, weekly time chart. Page 25, exercise 11. Page 26, exercise 12. So let me say that again. Chapter 1, page 3, personal feedback. Page 7, weekly time chart. Page 25, exercise 11. Page 26, exercise 12. Chapter 2 is 35, page 35, personal feedback. Page 57, vocabulary. Page 63, vocabulary. Page 70, vocabulary. Page 72 through 74, you're going to do parts 1 and 2, okay? What you're basically going to be doing in my class is just vocabulary. You're going to learn how the word families are learned, so that way when you have medical terminology, it will facilitate it. There will be a lot of things that we're going to cover that you learned when you were in kinder and first grade that you forgot, and it's very important now that you're going to have to memorize all your medical terminology and understand the way words are created, the way the word families, I don't know why I can't speak today because I'm tired. Word families are put into groups. You know, when we were younger, we learned, you know, like at is a root word, at, fat, mat, pat, right? So now you're going to go into a higher level of word families that will in the end help you with your with your medical terminology, and that's what it is. So you're going to what I want you to do is build your vocabulary and expand your vocabulary. There is a link in our dashboard, okay, in your class for me, that is the word of the day. If we were together, then somebody would be mentioning the word of the day and we would be discussing the word of the day, okay? That creates, you know, with the online, it's a little bit difficult. But if I can get someone, I had someone every day when I was in school, when we did it physically, that would say the word of the day, and she also had a quote of the day, and it was just lovely. I've tried to get my other classes to do it, and they just don't, you know, everybody's too whatever. So if I can get somebody to look at the word of the day, tell us what the word of the day is, and then put it on YouTube. You could probably copy and paste it and it won't be so hard. You can also do a quote of the day, and that can help all of our classes. I so much enjoyed it, and everybody else so much enjoyed it as well. So anyway, if anybody could do the favor for me. So you have chapters 1 and chapters 2 to do this week. We can probably get them in by Thursday evening. We'll see what happens. If for whatever reason today it rained a lot, but for whatever reason, if you can't get to your book, why don't you chat me and you text me through Teams and let me know that you can't get it. But the longer it takes you to get it, the more behind you're going to be. Okay, so that is your homework for this week. Namaste, love and light.